We're going to talk about how to score these outcomes for each of your students. It's still a good idea to have your CCOG for reference so that you know which outcome is which and what the description is. In addition, we have a scoring rubric here. Outcomes are scored on a scale of 0 for no achievement. And then we have emerging, developing, competent, and proficient. And you can read the different descriptions for each of these. Different instructors use different methods for deciding how to score each of these, but if you're new to this process, this rubric may help. So back in your course, go ahead and click on Speak. We're accessing this course outcomes assessment process again. So if you've navigated away and you're coming back, just be sure to click on that again. Again, your rubric should still be there. Your scoring rubric should still be here. And we want to click on SpeedGrader on the right-hand side. For those of you that haven't used SpeedGrader, this is SpeedGrader. If a student submits something, often you'll see a preview for the document they've submitted here on the left, and you can enter a score over here on the right. This is an ungraded assignment, and the only scores we're going to be entering are associated with these outcomes, which don't get added to the gradebook. So go ahead and for your first student, go ahead and click on View Rubric and adjust your window a little bit so that you can at least see all of the ratings, even if you don't see the full grid. And then using evidence from your classes or this rubric, go ahead and score this person on each of these outcomes. So just click on each of these scores. Don't score them like I'm scoring them, but it is pretty easy. So just, if you make a mistake, just click a new one. And then when you're done scoring each of these outcomes for this particular student, go ahead and click Save. You should just see one column of information. And then you can navigate to the next person either by using the arrows on either side of the first person or using this drop-down menu. And I'm going to go to this next student and click on View Rubric and go through that process again. And click Save, and you should see again this single column of information. If you decide something doesn't look right, you want to make an adjustment, just click View Rubric again for the same person, and you can adjust their scores. Okay, and then you have to click Save again. Once you've gone through all of your students, that's it. You're done scoring. And the last part will be to complete your narrative responses.